Hello, my fellow oddities. Welcome to another episode. Today is part 5 of our Indiana War Memorial. If this is your first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, go ahead and share. While you're at it, please take a visit to my website. I've got all sorts of stuff available on there to help support me, including these 4 amazing animal posters. Go get them. They are just super awesome. And now that that's out of the way, let's just get right into today's video. So today we are going to be continuing on adding some detail to this monument. So we are going to just keep with our same color palette, which is the yellow ochre, raw umber, titanium white, and Mars black. And we just mix up different various amounts of gray and then add in those brown and yellow tones to get those different colors in there. I did my best to follow the reference image. I did make those brick lines just a little bit too dark, but I ended up liking just the way they looked, so I mostly left them alone. I would just go through and add different details around it to try and tone it down a little bit, but it really didn't tone it down much at all, but it all ended up looking all right. So it's finally time to add in these blue lights, and for that we will just use some cobalt blue and titanium white and mix up some lighter tone blue and get these lights painted on. I used a very small angle brush to do most of the work, and then I did use a small round brush just to do the rest of it and the fine little details of it. And then after that I will just use some straight Mars black to get a lot of these fine details in, and it really makes a lot of that detail pop right out. that we got the bulk of this monument basically done, we can start moving further down into the foreground, and so that's exactly what we'll do. We'll just continue using the same tones and color palette and just move on down and get the foreground done and start off with this rail. There's also a couple of statues or vases. I can't really figure out exactly what they are, but I wanted to make sure I went ahead and added them in, and that's what I did. I just used the same tones as the monument and painted those on there. That's gonna do it for this episode, and if you've been following along, then you should have ended up with something relatively close to this. This monument is really shaping up now. Tune in to the next episode, we'll get some more work done. Remember, if this is your first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and share it, and I'll see you in the next episode.